Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm working on a 3D Diva Ornament canvas art piece. I came up with this idea as a solution of things that you can do with your after Christmas or holiday ornaments. Some of us have them lying around, put them in boxes, but I thought this would be a cool and clever idea to put those ornaments to better use. So for this project, I'm using a small wall decal that I usually sell in my store, but as you can see, this one was really wrinkled, so I couldn't sell it, so I had it sitting in a drawer, and I didn't throw it away, so I figured this would be a good time to use it. And I'm using a 20 by 24 inch canvas that I got from Michael's, some ornaments that I had left over that I originally got from Walmart, and I'll be using my glue gun and smaller black ornaments as well. But please see the description box below for more details. I also want to say that the after Christmas sales are usually happening around this time. So this is one of the best time to buy craft supplies and leftover ornaments because most of them are like 60 to 70% off. So if you want to stock up on your craft supplies, this is the time to do it. I also wanted to say that you can pretty much get these wall decals anywhere, and just because it's meant for a wall does not mean that you can't use it on other backgrounds such as canvas like I'm doing here. But this is just an example of other things that you can do with these decals. And getting a wall decal works for those of us who don't have a circuit, but you can still achieve this 3D ornament wall look. I'd like to thank you all for watching, and once again, if you want to help see this channel grow, please be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you guys next week.